Greg Marchand here, 0 to 60, where we teach business management, service counter selling, and customer satisfaction skills in under 60 seconds. Every now and then we get under 60 seconds. Technician advisor communication. This is where the chaos at the service counter can really happen, right? Why is it so hard to get technician service advisor communication down? Because they're two completely different people. Technicians think very logically. They're taught to observe symptoms, draw correlations, make those connections, make a diagnosis, and fix it. They look at something and it's broken or not broken. It's fixed or not fixed. Service advisors at the service counter here, they have to work in a gray area. They deal with customer emotions. They deal with customer anger. They deal with this warm, fuzzy, amorphous blob that we call human beings. They think incredibly differently. You want to improve technician service advisor communication? Have weekly, if not daily, 5-minute shop meetings and recognize the differences between those two individuals. We've got a lot more. Reach out to me if you want more.